Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Ford F-150. Stock number is 17F1172B. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Center console folds up to become an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls are mounted to the steering wheel. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-150 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.